Man, my girl's gonna be mad at me. She's gonna be like, what the heck are you doing? She's gonna be like, what the heck? How's it taking me so long to start grilling?
Are you joking?
I'm hungry. What's up, everybody? I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this Kingsford portable grill. Yes. So that means I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And I'm gonna grill some New York steaks on it. See how they turn out. Alright, I got this at Kroger for $24.99. So this is basically, okay, so it's Kingsford 14-inch kettle grill with hinged lid. It's portable grill, fits 8 burgers. Alright guys, so if you have 8 people to feed, this will fit 8 burgers. Foldable legs and lid fastener, chrome plated cooking grate, adjustable air vents, solid steel construction, and durable coating on the lid and body for strength. Good. That means it's gonna last for a long time. Alright, cool. So let's unbox it. So recently, maybe with like the last month or 2 months, I've been, oh snap. Does anybody else hate styrofoam? Like the way it feels? Ah, I hate it. I hate it. Okay, so recently, the last couple of months, I've been into grilling steaks, right? So, and I have a barbecue pit, but it's kind of just a little too big for what I need it for. I just need to grill 2 steaks at a time, you know, one for me and one for my wife, and that's it. Dang! Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. It comes like a Lego set. Look at that. They want you to just build it. Man, what is this? Build-A-Bear? Let's continue building the grill. But yeah, so I mean, this would be perfect. You know, I'll put 1 steak right here, 1 steak right here. Or burgers, burger, or hot dogs, whatever. You know, just a little thing, just a little grill to grill a little bit. That's it. Big spoon looking thing. This is the vent opener thingy. Oh, this is the base. Cool. Very nice, Kingsford. Okay, so in the instructions, don't make fun of me guys, I use the instructions sometimes. It tells you actually how to make all this stuff and what all this is for. Okay, yeah, so it's a freaking Build-A-Bear here. So it starts you off with the top, right? The top one is the one with the logo on top, right? So let's start with that. First thing it wants you to do is put the handle on it. See that? You get this screw right here, you put it in the freaking, you put the washer on it, and you stick it through the hole right here. Then get the other insulating washer, right? It's insulating because it's red, and you stick it on top right here. Turn this bad boy around, stick it on top, start screwing until it grabs it. I think I got it, buddy. Yeah, I got it. Screwdriver. I guess next he wants me to put on this little door right here. If you look right here, you can see that this one's got some extra gaps right there. You see that? See how it's like skinny right there, more narrow right there, but then wider up here opposed to the other ones, right? So that's the one you're gonna stick this little tab in right here. I know you see that tab sticking out that door. Make sure you stick that tab. Boom, just like that, buddy. Yeah. Man, my girl's gonna be mad at me. She's gonna be like, what the heck are you doing? She's gonna be like, what the heck? How's it taking me so long to start grilling? I'm hungry. This is the screw right here, of course. Of course, y'all guys know the screw. I'm gonna be opening and closing this thing a lot, so I don't want it to be too tight. There we go. That's a good feel. Now, he wants me to go to the legs now. It says open the legs. Okay, open the legs. But then it tells me to get on this one right here. What do I do with this? Oh, I see. It's for airflow or something? Gotcha. It's for airflow. Okay. Alright, so you put this thing in here like so. Right? Then you're gonna stick the screw in through the hole. like so. Right? Then put this washer and the smallest nut. Alright, and I don't have my sockets with me right now. Just lazy, you don't want to take them out, so I'm just going to hold it real tight and give it a little squeeze here. It should be fine. You don't want it to be too tight whenever whenever it's hot and everything, you need some airflow, you know, you just move it easily. Alright, next on the instructions it says to line up these two holes with the two holes on this on the stand and screw them in. So the washer goes on top. Alright, washer goes up through the top and the screw goes down through the bottom. Just put the nut on it and that's it. Same thing with the other side. Hold the nut tight from top and then screw it all the way down. This one you do want it to be tight. This next part is pretty self-explanatory. You just got a hole over here, got a hole over here, and you just stick it at one side, pull it, stick it in the other side, that's it. Done. So the next part might be tricky. Get the one that says top, and you get the one that says up. The hole's right there. Just stick them like that. Stick them like that, and then you stick this rod through them. And then you just stick this pin through the rod, and that's it. Easy peasy. Alright, so you get the side that says up, you gotta bolt it to this, to the bottom part. Alright, put the washer on the inside and the nut, tighten it. Same thing with the other side. Here we are in phone mode, right? Camera phone mode, because my camera is dead. So last thing I was saying is that we have to tighten these right here. Just with the screwdriver. And I guess just gotta bolt it down to this. Alright, so the bottom grill here, that's for the coal. This is where the coal is gonna be laying. Alright, so it doesn't burn the bottom. Man, how we got extra washers? I don't know what those are for. Alright, then this one right here is where you put your meat on top. Oof. Beautiful. Love it. Look at that. It's nice. I like that. Okay, and then you got this extra little rack right here. I don't know what you're gonna put on this. Sausages or something? Let's see. A hole right there, and a hole right there, and a hole right there. I think it's a hole. Where's the hole? Oh, I see it. The hole is supposed to be right there, but it wasn't punched through all the way, I guess, whenever it was being manufactured. But here's the other hole right there. We can fix that real quick, can't we? Yeah, let's fix it. Alright, so that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, so that's there. That's good, right? Does it close good? I mean, you know? Is it gonna be on top of my steak? If that's the case, I don't want it there. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna be on top of my steak. I don't want it on top of my steak. Well, I took it off. So, yeah, I don't need it. Yeah, that's good. Just like that, that's fine. All right, so I'm gonna put one steak, other steak, perfect, done, son. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have some good steak tonight. All right, so that was the unboxing and the building of the Kingsford 14-inch kettle grill with hinged lid. Yes. So I'm gonna do another video of me making some New York steaks and see how they come out. So stay tuned for that video. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Oh yeah. Peace, peace, peace. I think they're ready. I'm gonna cut them open right now just to make sure, because like I said, barbecue, but when I get it right, it's good.